In order to improve fish production amongst fish farmers around the Lake Bambalang in Goktunja Division, Northwest region of Cameroon, the Northwest Development Fund, Cdeno, in collaboration with Technocrew, have successfully constructed and installed 150 floating cages on the lake.
These cages, we have built them and assembled in Bamenda. Then we transported them to install here in the riverbank, well suspended by the floaters and anchors, and there are 150 of them.
The construction of these cages is thanks to the effort of Cdeno under the emergency project to combat food crisis in Cameroon, Puka.
We are here thanks to Cdeno that sorted us out, and they are the principal sponsor, Puka. Thanks to all of them. And we have done our job precisely as is prescribed in our contract. The number of fingerlings per cage, if they are properly managed, and I'm sure that with the interest that I've observed around, they will manage them well. In the next 4 months, fish production will be very high and food security is safe in this area.
Looking at the Lake Bambalang, there is more prospects in the production of more fishes.
Sincerely, this sector needs encouragement so that we can have more farms, and Technocrew is at disposal of Cdeno and any other organization that is ready to build cages. We'll bring our expertise and assist so that fish security will be a reality.
While in Bambalang, the fish farmers receive training on how to better manage the floating cages and grow the fingerlings, which will greatly improve their living standards.
I explain them how to handle the fingerlings when they get them from the fingerlings producer. They go and put in the cage, try to be sure that the temperature in the cage is the same in the back with fingerlings, and they have to feed them according to the size of the mouth of their fish, because we have fish with 2 mm, 3 mm, and when fishes grow, they have to change the fish and to adjust also the quantity according to the weight of the fish. They have to harvest after 6 or 8 months and sort the fish and calibrate them to see big, small and means, to record everything they see on the cages when they are feeding, to see also the behavior of fish in the water, to note any abnormality things that can happen and try to repair.
Here, the fish farmers promise to take care of the cages.
On behalf of the farmers here, we are saying that we are going to do everything to improve sustainability and to always ensure that we maintain this cage so that it can last long. The cages we have received, the quality of the material is the best, and we are happy.
After the installation of nets, provision of feed, and the introduction of over 75,000 fingerlings of tilapia into the cages on the Lake Bambalang, Technocrew has given a 1-year guarantee as well as follow-up trainings with the farmers on how to manage the cages.